I used to lose sleep over wild weather. Wind, snow, hail, a sudden heat wave. Plenty of natural elements that can break, tear the roof, and destroy all my hard work here. Using Polrum SunTough Plus and Sunlight Plus polycarbonate covers and sheets have given me peace of mind. They're great for light transmission and have excellent thermal insulation with multi-wall structure that save me heating costs. They allow me to control drip and condensation, which are so critical for healthy plants. They can easily replace old polyethylene covers. They fit any structure, and best of all, they last for years. So I don't need to spend time and money fixing and replacing the entire structure every other year. Polrum SunTough Plus and Sunlight Plus are my best insurance policy against the natural elements and my recipe for a good night's sleep.